In this tutorial, we are gonna show calculate the coordinates of the stationary points on the curve and determine the nature of the stationary points. For doing that, we need to find out the differentiation of the y dy by dx, then we consider from here 0 to get the coordinates of the stationary point. So let me differentiate first. If we differentiate it, dy by dx, we got from there 3 4 the 12 x square, then 15 into 2, which is 30x, then minus 18. Now we need to, for stationary points, we need to consider that dy by dx equals to 0, 30x minus 18. Then we will get the x value of the stationary point. So for doing that, we can, here 6 is common. Let me take 6 common from there, which gives us 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Then the equation is 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0 by 6, which is 0 again. So just we can apply here the middle term break on the left side. 2x squared plus 3 to the 6x, 6x minus x minus 3 equals to 0. Now by taking 2x common from the first part, we got the equation x plus 3, then take minus 1 common, x plus 3 equals to 0. Two values of x plus 3, and another part is 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So from here we got the value x equals to minus 3, and another one is half. When x equals to, we can take help with our calculator. Then what is the value of y? We have to use the first equation, this equation, to get our value of y. Minus 3 whole cube plus 15 into minus 3 square minus 18 into minus 3 plus 2. For doing that, we can use our calculator. Let's use our calculator. In our calculator, we can write the equation first, say 4x cube. So we can write 4 in this color, pink color, alpha x to the power 3. Then next term is plus 15x square, 15 alpha x square, then minus 18x, 18 alpha x we can write, then last one is plus 2. This is our equation. So if we put x value, automatic it will gives the y value. So you need to put here calculate, CALC, calculate button. Then calculator is asking for the x value. If we put here x value minus 3, press equals to, then this is the y value, which is 83. So our first coordinate is minus 3 comma 83. We got one coordinate, and we have another coordinate, and we got the x value equals to half. So let me write when x equals to half, then what is our y value? We can use the same equation. So again, if we press calculate, then they're asking again another x. So half we can put here, say 1 by 2 half. Now press equals to, it gives us minus 11 by 4, minus 11 by 4. So let me write minus 11 by 4. So our second coordinate is half comma minus 11 by 4. This is our second coordinate. So first part already done. Stationary points coordinate is minus 3 8, and half minus 11 by 4 is the y value. Now we're going to check, determine the nature of the stationary point, whether this point is, which point is maximum and which point is minimum. We're going to check it. For doing that, we have to differentiate that expression dy by dx again. So if we differentiate again, we need to write d square y by dx square. It means that if we differentiate dy by dx of the expression we had dy by dx. So if we differentiate second time, the with the value we have dy by dx, which was 12x square plus 30x minus 18. So if we differentiate it again, from there it gives us 24x plus 30. This is our double differentiation expression. So in this expression we need to put our value of x first minus 3 and value of half we are going to put here. So let you write when again x equals to minus 3, then our double differentiation value d square y divided by dx square, it gives us 24 into minus 3 plus 30. Just to need to check is it negative or positive. So we can use calculator again. Let's use our calculator again. So erase the value we have before. 24 into minus 3 plus 30. It's a negative value. So it's a negative value, which is we got the value minus 42. Let me write it minus 42 minus 42, which is a negative value. This is very important, you need to write. If it is a negative value, then the point we have minus 3 minus 3 8, we can write it is a maximum point. So this is the nature of the stationary point. First point, the first point we got, this is a maximum point. So now we are going to put x equals to half, and what is our d square by dy value? D square by dx square gives us 24 into half plus 30. Clearly it gives a positive value because positive 42 we got from there. Yeah, positive value we can write. So positive value. So our point half comma minus 11 by 4 is a minimum point. So this is our total working, and that is actually the nature of the stationary point.